everyone, welcome back to La Forêt French Class. Today we'll be learning the names of fruits in French. So what do you call fruits in French? It's les fruits. Les fruits. So moving on, we'll be learning the names of 10 fruits in French. So starting with our first fruit, what do you call an apple in French? It's une pomme. Une pomme. So then what do you call a banana in French? It's une banane. Une banane. So for the next fruit, what do you call a pineapple in French? It's ananas. Ananas. So again, here you see the liaison effect, which basically joins the two words and ananas and makes it ananas. Next we have a cherry in French, which we call as une cerise. Une cerise. So the next fruit is personally my favorite fruit. So what do you call a strawberry in French? It's une fraise. Une fraise. So the next fruit we have is an apricot. So we call an apricot in French as un apricot. Un apricot. Again the same liaison effect. Moving on, the next fruit is what do you call a lemon in French? Un citron. Un citron. The next fruit is an orange. So what do you call an orange in French? It's une orange. Une orange. And how do you say a mango in French? Une mangue. Une mangue. And finally, what do you call a peach in French? Une pêche. Une pêche. So we have finally completed the names of 10 fruits in French. So now can anybody tell me how would I say I eat an apple every day in French? Je mange une pomme tous les jours. Je mange une pomme tous les jours. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Like, comment and subscribe to La Forêt French Class for more such videos. Happy French learning to everybody.